All right, today we're going to bring a portable case, and this is for your ammo, your guns, your safe. Pretty much you could save anything you want in here, camera equipment, and so forth. Now, this one, we're going to actually test it out, and it's weatherproof, it's waterproof, and we're going to actually drop it too and see how it maintains everything in here. But first of all, let me show you the inside. In the inside, before I even commence, there's an area where you could lock it here on the corner, right? So you don't have to worry about your valuables. You have your extra lock, you could go ahead and lock it. Now, if you open it up, there's a silhouette here of an actual firearm. So I'm going to show it to you guys that you could remove and add different extensions. If you want, you could even add a magazine or without the magazine, where the actual magazines will be retained. If you don't want to load it up and ready to go, or you want to have them separate, or if you want to have extra ones, you can do that. It's going to keep everything safe. So we're going to put it to a test and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. This one, I'm just going to face it up. All right, so let's open it up and see how clean it is or how dry it is. All right, let's get this one open. Dry it up a little bit and open it up. Let's see if anything compromises in here. Look at that, dry, perfect. Both areas dry, inside is dry, the back is dry, the outside is wet. So we're gonna go ahead and dry everything up. All right, so we're gonna do an egg test with this, and here I have a Ziploc bag, so it won't, in case it does crack, it won't go anywhere. I just keep it in one area, so I don't want to compromise and ruin this. So we're gonna go ahead and do it in one take. Open it up. You guys can see that. I'm gonna remove the silhouette. Put the egg in here. Make sure it's Ziploc nice and neat. Close it up. Drop it from at least 3 or 4 feet. You guys can see that. So I'm gonna go a little bit higher here, and I'm gonna drop it. Oh, almost fell too. Okay, so hit a couple of walls. And look at that, still intact. So I almost dropped myself. It's really good.